Alright y'all, I have been so excited to film this. I actually filmed this earlier and the mic was turned off, so here I am doing it again. But yeah, we're just gonna jump into it. This is a 21 days of beauty Ulta haul and their Ulta spring haul or whatever. I ordered several things from those sales going on and I just wanted to show y'all. First off is this LA Girl Nudes Palette. I have this and I absolutely love it. So I ordered one for the giveaway that I'll be doing once I hit 2K subscribers. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss that. I have a drawer like this long, this tall that's already like filled up and I'm not even done buying stuff for it. So it's going to be awesome. Next is this shampoo and conditioner from Eva NYC, however you say it, I don't know. Don't correct me because I already said I don't know. I'm not here. I don't need a grammar police. Anyways, but yeah, I have their 10-in-1 primer spray and it makes my hair just so soft and manageable and just I love it, so I wanted to try this. I've been seeing this brand a lot on Instagram, Derma E. So I'm trying their Acne Deep Pore Cleansing Wash. Alright, next, I forgot I was going to do an Ulta haul and I threw the box to this away, but I have not tried it yet. It's the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. I love their spray, so I really wanted to try this. Next is this ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Sailor. I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep this or put this in my giveaway. It's a really, I think I'm just gonna put it in the giveaway. I'm just gonna put that one in the giveaway. It's a really pretty color, but I love giving and making others happy. Yeah, anyways, next is this Lottie London Got It Covered Concealer. I've been enjoying trying this brand. It's very affordable at Ulta. I've never tried their concealers, so just wanted to see how that was. Next is this Essence Beautiful eyeshadow palette. If y'all want to see me do a look with this palette, let me know. I haven't swatched it or anything, so I have no clue what it's about. These pans are pretty big. If you want to see a video with that, let me know. Or I could do a first impressions on some of this stuff. I almost have a full face of first impressions. Yeah, just let me know what y'all want to see if y'all want to see anything. Whenever I take my makeup off, I use a makeup wipe and then I go in with a melting balm just to make sure I got all the makeup off. I have an oil I want to try in place of the cleansing balm, but I also ordered another face oil. It's the Formula 10.0.6 Bare Face Beauty Skin Moisturizing Cleansing Oil. It just caught my eye and I've been wanting to try this brand as well. Next is the Ulta Beauty Baked Bronzer. I got one for me and one for the giveaway. I love their matte cool tone bronzer for contouring. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it, so I wanted to try the baked bronzer. I also got the Ulta Beauty Illuminator in Radiant Diamond. I ordered two of them. One of them came back shattered, but Ulta sent me another one. It should be in today. I got one for me and one for the giveaway. And these are repurchases. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the Gimme Brow. I use the Gimme Brow whenever I'm in a hurry. I don't want to just sit down and spend 30 minutes on my eyebrows. So I just put this in there and go. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz is just my go-to brow pencil. I am obsessed with it and I'm almost out. Another repurchase is the No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. I got one a couple of months ago in my BoxyCharm and it is just an amazing primer. Since it was on sale, I wanted to go ahead and get another one before I run out. Then I got two foundations. I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. I love the liquid one, so I wanted to try the stick one. I can't wait to see if it's as awesome. And then I got the Revlon Candid foundation. I'm super excited to try it. And then I got these, I got this Lottie London Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fleek. I love their liquid lipsticks. Love their liquid lipsticks. I'm probably going to order some for the giveaway because they are just awesome and they're so affordable. And then this is not from Ulta, but I did order this for the giveaway and I wanted to show y'all these cute little earrings. I'm just doing all I can for this giveaway. Like, I'm just so happy and so thankful for y'all, especially y'all that really, you know, watch my videos, and it just means so much to me. So I love giving back. But yeah, that is it for this video. If y'all saw anything that y'all tried before and y'all absolutely love, hate, whatever, let me know what y'all think. If y'all want me to do a video on any of this, let me know. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles.